Students, in earlier passage we came to know that the astrologer and the stranger met each other. Now there is a deal between the stranger and the astrologer. Actually, it was the time for the astrologer to return home, but he found the stranger worried. He decided, let's attend one more customer. But this stranger had his own way, unique way. He was dealing with astrologer in a different manner. He wanted to know the fact, the reality of his real life. He don't want just regular routine astrology, just what is the problem of those family, woman, money, etc., etc. He want to know particular fact. So there is a deal between astrologer and the stranger, that if the astrologer succeeded to convince the stranger, or he revealed the truth about his earlier life, then only astrologer will get some annas, monies. Otherwise, astrologer had to return the same amount with interest. Students, let's continue the next passage and let's reveal the story. What happened with the astrologer and the stranger? I will read the passage and we will have a discussion regarding the same. If you find my answers satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? Now this is the quotation given by astrologer. Astrologer said to stranger, okay, if I answer your all question in a correct manner, are you ready to give me 5 rupees? Students, those days, before 30 or 40 years, 5 rupees means it is a quite huge amount. Means in a today's currency it may be 5,000 or 10,000 rupees also. No. But the stranger replied, no, I am not going to give you 5 rupees because it is a hefty markup, it is a very huge amount. Or will you give me 8 annas? Now second deal. Astrologer tried to bargain the amount. Now are you ready to give him 8 annas? Alright. Stranger was ready to hand over 8 annas. Alright, provided you give me twice as much if you are wrong, said the stranger. This pact was accepted after little further argument. Okay, finally 8 annas deal was done by the both parties. But student, let me repeat what is the deal. When astrologer said to the stranger, you have to give me 8 annas. Stranger said, okay, alright, I am going to give you 8 annas. But if you replied wrong answers to me, I will take it twice, double. You have to give me 16 annas in return if you give me wrong information. And finally, after argument, the deal was done. See, now let's pass. Next paragraph. The astrologer sent up a prayer to heaven as the other lit up a chirut. Chirut? Cigar. Those days, it was a tradition to smoke a cigar. Chirut. The astrologer caught a glimpse of his face by the match light. Student, in earlier passage we came to know that the groundnut seller already blown up the candle, the light, the gas light, and he had returned home. Now there is a darkness, but still astrologer want to attend one more customer, and that is why in the darkness also the astrologer was convincing his customer. So he tried to come into his attire, he tried to spell some mantras and prayer to heaven as the other lit up a chirut. The astrologer caught a glimpse of his face by the match light. Student, let's see one more word. Glimpse. Glimpse means brief look, glance, gaze, peep. So, glimpse means here brief look, quick look. There was a pause as cars hooted on the road. Jutka drivers soared at their horses. Jutka driver, Jutka, it is a horse-driven car. Those days, same like bullock car. It is horse-driven car. So Jutka drivers soared at their horses, and the babble of the crowd agitated the semi-darkness of the spark. Babble, talk in a continuous manner, rapid manner, talk continuously. Those drivers try to convince the customers, passengers, they talk continuously. They try to call the passenger in a hurried manner. So, and babble, talk rapidly, continuously in a foolish manner. The other sat down, sucking his cheroot. Puffing out, sat there ruthlessly. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. See, so now this is the scene around the astrologer and the stranger. How these Jutka drivers were calling their passenger, as it was a semi-darkness. It was not a crystal clear. It is a darkness. After evening time, dusk and dawn. Dusk means the time after sunset. Dawn means the time before sunrise. Now this is a semi-darkness. And first time, dear student, the astrologer felt nervous, uncomfortable. Here, take your Anas back. I am not used to such challenges. See, astrologer didn't want to continue this deal. He immediately returned the Anna and told the stranger, I am not used to this challenge. Take your Anna. Our deal cannot go much further. Then, take your Anna back. I am not used to such challenges. It is late for me today. He made preparation to bundle up. The other held his wrist and said, you can't get out of it now. You dragged me in while I was passing. And stranger replied, no, you cannot leave me alone. You cannot break the deal. Already you have done for the deal. You have already accepted the challenge. Now you cannot break the deal. Meanwhile, you have to wait. I was passing by only. That time you called me and you gave me the challenge. And you told me I am going to reveal the truth of your life. The astrologer shivered in his grasp and his voice shook and became faint. Shiver, tremble, shake, quiver. This was the first time he had a encounter with a weird customer. The astrologer made this weird, unique customer first time, and this past customer didn't allow him to leave it immediately. The astrologer shivered in his grasp and his voice shook and became faint. Leave me today, I will speak to you tomorrow. Astrologer trying to convince the customer, please allow me to leave, go home, already it's very late for me, and please we will talk tomorrow only, but please kindly allow me to leave tomorrow, today only. The other thrust his palm in his face and said, challenge is challenge, go on. The astrologer proceeded with his throat drying up. There is a woman. Now how usually, 90% time people having an issue related to woman, money, families, job, etc. Now astrologer tried to come to the same traditional ways of his convincing that woman, money, etc. Job. Now when he uttered the word, maybe definitely a woman. As soon as he uttered the word woman, stop, said the other. Meaning stranger didn't want to listen all this nonsense because he knew what he wanted. Stop, said the other. I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not? And now directly Customer, the stranger asked the question, will I get succeed in my search or not? You just answer my question. I'm in a search for someone. So just answer my question. I will be successful in my attempt? Answer this and go. Otherwise, I will not let you go till you disgorge all your coins. Disgorge? You have to surrender. You have to return whatever money, whatever amount you have earned throughout the day. If you want to leave home, okay, I am ready. But you have to disgorge. Disgorge, submit, return, surrender all your coins. The astrologer muttered. Muttered, speak in a very low tone. You know, student, when someone speaks in a low tone, it reflects that the person doesn't have any confidence. The low tone reflects his confidence. Now, astrologer's confidence submerged, decreases. The astrologer muttered a few incantations and replied, all right. Incantation. Now, this word is related to astrology. Incantation is student. Chant, some magical words, spell. You know, some Jyotishis, astrologers trying to chant some mantras, and the customer come to know that maybe these mantras or the spell has a power to change the scene. So astrologer began with incantations. All right, I will speak, but will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? Otherwise, I will not open my mouth, and you may do what you like. After a good deal of haggling, the other replied. The astrologer said, you were left for dead. Am I right? Now, student, see, now finally, the challenge was accepted by the astrologer, and he is going to answer the question asked by the stranger. What was the question asked by the stranger? Will I get success to search someone else? You are going to answer. You are going to reveal my past. And now astrologer started explaining that you have to give me a rupee again back. Otherwise, I will not open my mouth at all. And finally, he said, you were lived to be dead. It was a surprising element. Astrologer opened his mouth and he quoted the sentence after a deal of haggling, bargaining, convincing, negotiate, deal. What is the deal? Now he has to return the amount again. You were left for dead. Am I right? Yeah. Tell me more. A knife has passed through you once, said the astrologer. Good fellow, he bared his chest to show the scar. What else? And finally, astrologer told the stranger, some years back someone tried to murder you. He attacked with you with a knife. Is it the reality? The stranger surprised. Yes. Good fellow, this is the right thing. How did you know that someone tried to murder me? And he tried to show his scar on his stomach, which was made by the knife. See, astrologer in a surprising manner replied to the stranger that someone tried to murder you. You were left to be dead. And finally, the stranger also convinced, yes, this is the reality. Good fellow, use whatever you said, this is the reality. Dear student, even we are surprised. But how did astrologer knew about the past of the stranger? Actually, this is a very unique incident occurred in the stranger life. No one knew about it, but astrologer, how did he know about it? We will see in the next passage. Thank you.